Look! The book is glowing again. Look! The book is glowing again. Where will it take us this time? Where will it take us this time?
Open the book. Mia, open the book, Mia.
We are going inside. We are going inside. The book brought us to a green forest. The book brought us to a green forest. I can hear something in the trees. I can hear something in the trees. Look at those 3 little pigs. Look at those 3 little pigs. They look very worried. They look very worried.
Hello, my name is Pip. I am the first pig. Hello, my name is Pip. I am the first pig.
I am Penny. Why? I am the second pig. I am Penny. I am the second pig.
And I am Pete. I am the third pig. And I am Pete. I am the third pig.
Why do you look so worried?
Why do you look so worried?
We need to build our houses today. We need to build our houses today. What kind of house will you build? What kind of house will you build?
I will build my house with straw. I will build my house with straw.
Straw? That sounds easy to do. Straw? That sounds easy to do.
It is very fast to build. It is very fast to build.
I will build my house with wood. Wood. I will build my house with wood. Wood is stronger than straw. Wood is stronger than straw. Yes. Oh. Yes. Wood is easy to find in the forest.
I will build my house with bricks. I will build my house with bricks.
Bricks? That will take a long time. Bricks?
That will take a long time.
I know, but bricks are very strong. I know, but bricks are very strong.
Good luck, little pigs. Build fast. Good luck, little pigs. Build fast.
Pip finishes his straw house quickly. Pip finishes his straw house quickly.
Wow, Pip. Your house looks cute. Wow, Pip. Your house looks cute.
Thank you. I am done already. Thank you. I am done already.
Penny is building her wooden house now. Penny is building her wooden house now. I hammer each piece of carefully. I hammer each piece of wood carefully. Your wooden house looks very nice, Penny. Your wooden house looks very nice, Penny. Thank you. It took me all morning. Thank you. It took me all morning.
Pete is still building with heavy bricks. Pete is still building with heavy bricks. Pete, you are working very hard. Pete, you are working very hard. Yes, 1 brick at a time, very slowly. Yes, 1 brick at a time, very slowly.
But why do you use bricks, Pete?
Well, bricks are strong and keep the big bad wolf away.
Because
Bricks
will
not fall down, because bricks will not fall down.
he sounds very smart. He sounds very smart. I see something moving in the forest. What is it? I am a little scared. What is it? I am a little scared.
Look, it is a big, hungry wolf. Look, it is a big, hungry wolf. Ha, ha, ha! I am hungry today. Ha, ha, ha! I am hungry today.
He is walking towards Pip's straw house. He is walking towards Pip's straw house.
Little pig, let me come in. Little pig, let me come in.
No, not by the hair on my chin, chin, chin. No, not by the hair on my chin, chin, chin.
Then I will huff and I will puff. Then I will huff and I will puff.
Oh, no, he is taking a deep breath. Oh no, he is taking a deep breath.
I will push your house down. I will push your house down.
The wolf puffs very hard. The wolf puffs very hard. The straw house is falling down. Help! I must run to Penny's house. Help! I must run to Penny's house. Run, Pip. Run to your sister. Run, Pip. Run to your sister.
Penny, open the door. The wolf is coming. Penny, open the door. The wolf is coming.
Come in. Come in. Quickly. Come in. Quickly.
Little pigs, let me come in. Little pigs, let me come in.
No, not by the hair on our chin, chin, chin. No, not by the hair on our chin, chin, chin.
This is very scary.
Oh.
This is very scary.
Hold on, little pigs. Be brave. Hold on, little pigs. Be brave.
Then I will huff and I will puff again. Then I will huff and I will puff again.
He is even angrier this time. He is even angrier this time. The wooden walls are shaking.
And I will push your house down. And I will push your house down.
Oh, no! The wooden house is falling too! Oh no! The wooden house is falling too! Run, Pip! We go to Pete's brick house! Run, Pip! We go to Pete's brick house! Pete has the strongest house of all. Pete has the strongest house of all. The two pigs run as fast as they can. The two pigs run as fast as they can.
I see you. Come inside quickly. I see you. Come inside quickly.
The wolf blew down our houses, Pete. The wolf blew down our houses, Pete.
Do not worry. Bricks are very strong. Do not worry. Bricks are very strong.
All 3 pigs are inside.
Now.
All 3 pigs are inside now.
I hope Pete's brick house is strong enough.
The wolf is walking towards the brick house. The wolf is walking towards the brick house.
I am holding Mum's hand. I am so nervous. I am holding Mum's hand. I am so nervous.
Little dot pigs. Little dot pigs, let me come in. Little pigs, let me come in.
No, not by the hair on our chin, chin, chin. No, not by the hair on our chin, chin, chin.
Then I will huff and I will puff once more. And I will push your house down. And I will push your house down.
The wolf puffs and puffs and puffs.
But
The brick house does not move at all. But the brick house does not move at all.
Our house is still standing. We are safe. Our house is still standing. We are safe. Hooray! Thank you, Pete!
hooray!
Thank you, Pete!
Your brick house is very strong. Your brick house is very strong.
Pete was right. Bricks are the best. Pete was right. Bricks are the best. Now, the wolf is very tired and very angry. Now the wolf is very tired and very angry.
I cannot push this house down. I cannot push this house down.
What
Is the
wolf doing now? What is the wolf doing now? He is looking at the chimney on the roof. He is looking at the chimney on the roof.
I will climb down the chimney instead. I will climb down the chimney instead.
Oh,
The
chimney. That is dangerous.
Oh!
The chimney. That is dangerous.
I have an idea. Quick, light the fireplace. I have an idea. Quick, light the fireplace.
Good idea. We put a big pot of water there.
Good idea. We put a big pot of water there. The 3 pigs work together very fast. The 3 pigs work together very fast. They put a pot of hot water under the chimney. They put a pot of hot water under the chimney.
Here I come down.
Down.
Chimney. Here I come down the chimney.
This wolf is not very smart. This wolf is not very smart.
Oh, wow. It is very hot in here. Oh, wow. It is very hot in here.
The wolf falls into the hot water. The wolf falls into the hot water. He jumps out of the chimney so fast. He jumps out of the chimney so fast.
Hot, hot. I am running away. Hot, hot. I am running away.
The wolf runs back into the forest. The wolf runs back into the forest.
I will never come back here again. I will never come back here again.
He is gone. We scared the wolf away. He is gone. We scared the wolf away.
Ah, thank you, Pete. You saved us. Thank you, Pete. You saved us. We learned an important lesson today. We learned an important lesson today.
Always build something strong and careful. Always build something strong and careful.
I agree, Pete. Hard work is always worth it. I agree, Pete. Hard work is always worth it.
That was a very exciting.
Story.
That was a very exciting story.
I am glad the little pigs are safe. I am glad the little pigs are safe.
Straw is light but weak. Straw is light but weak.
I wanted to finish fast. That was wrong. I wanted to finish fast. That was wrong.
Wood is stronger than straw. Whoa. Wood is stronger than straw. I used wood. It was okay, but not strong.
Sometimes good,
Is
not
good.
enough. Sometimes good is not good enough.
Brick is very strong.
Young.
Brick is very strong.
The brick house did not fall.
No!
The brick house did not fall.
What are bricks made of, Pete? What are bricks made of, Pete?
Bricks are made of clay,
And
fire. Bricks are made of clay and fire.
clay is a kind of strong, hard material. Clay is a kind of strong, hard material.
Brick is the best choice.
Yo!
Brick is the best choice.
Yes, straw breaks easily. I know that. Now,
What about wood? Is wood strong? What about wood? Is wood strong?
Wood is strong, but not as strong as brick. Wood is strong, but not as strong as brick.
Each material has its own use. Each material has its own use.
This is a great English lesson today. This is a great English lesson today. We learned straw, wood, brick, and chimney. We learned straw, wood, brick, and chimney.
And huff, puff, puff, build, run.
Run.
And huff, puff, puff, build, and run. Goodbye, Mia. Come visit us again.
Goodbye, Mia. Come visit us again. We will build a new house for Pip now. We will build a new house for Pip now.
brick house this time, I promise. A brick house this time, I promise.
Goodbye, Pip. Goodbye, Penny. Goodbye, Pete.
The book is glowing again. It is time to go. The book is glowing again. It is time to go.
Thank you for everything, little pigs. Thank you for everything, little pigs. That was the best adventure yet. That was the best adventure yet.
I am proud of those 3 little pigs. I am proud of those 3 little pigs.
They never gave up. That is beautiful. They never gave up. That is beautiful.
Never give up, no matter how hard it is. Never give up, no matter how hard it is. Let us review the words we learned today. Let us review the words we learned today. Straw, wood, brick. These are materials. Straw, wood, brick. These are materials. Build means to make something with your hands. Puff means to push air out of your mouth. Puff means to push air out of your mouth. Strong means not easy to break. Strong means not easy to break. Weak means easy to break or fall down. Weak means easy to break or fall down. Run.
Run.
That means to move your legs very fast. Run. That means to move your legs very fast.
Safe means no danger. We are all safe now. Safe means no danger. We are all safe now.
Hard work always pays off in the end.
In the end.
Hard work always pays off in the end.
Can you say these words? Let us try. Can you say these words? Let us try. Straw, wood, brick, build, puff, run, safe. Very good. You are a great English learner. Very good. You are a great English learner. Come back every day and speak English with us. Come back every day and speak English with us. The Magic Dot book is turning the next page now. I see a girl with a red hood walking in the forest. I see a girl with a red hood walking in the forest.